Docker is an open-source platform that allows developers to package, distribute, and run applications as containers. A container is a lightweight, standalone executable package of software that includes everything needed to run an application, such as code, libraries, and system tools. Containers are designed to be portable and run consistently across different environments, making them a powerful tool for building, deploying, and scaling applications. Docker provides a way to create and manage containers, as well as an ecosystem of tools and services that enable developers to build, test, and deploy applications more quickly and easily. Docker uses a client-server architecture, where the Docker client communicates with the Docker daemon, which manages containers on a host system. To use Docker, you first need to install it on your system. Once you have Docker installed, you can create a Dockerfile, which is a script that defines the configuration of a container, including its base image, any dependencies, and any commands needed to run the application. You can then use the Docker command line interface, CLI, to build an image from the Dockerfile and run a container from the image. Docker also provides a registry called Docker Hub, which is a central repository of Docker images. Developers can use Docker Hub to share their images and collaborate with others. Additionally, Docker provides a range of tools and services, such as Docker Compose and Docker Swarm, that enable developers to orchestrate and manage containers at scale. Overall, Docker is a powerful tool for developers that simplifies the process of building, deploying, and scaling applications. By packaging applications as containers, developers can ensure that their applications run consistently across different environments, making it easier to develop and deploy software. Docker allows developers to create and run containers that are isolated from the host system and from other containers. This isolation provides security and ensures that applications run consistently across different environments. Docker achieves this isolation by using namespaces and groups, which are Linux kernel features that allow for process and resource management. Docker images are the building blocks of containers. An image is a read-only template that contains the configuration of a container, such as the operating system, system libraries, and application code. Images can be built from scratch or based on existing images, and can be shared and reused across teams and organizations. Containers are lightweight and portable, making them ideal for modern application development and deployment. Containers can be run on any system that supports Docker, including Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Containers can also be easily moved between different environments, such as development, testing, and production. Docker provides a rich ecosystem of tools and services that enable developers to build, test, and deploy applications more efficiently. Docker Compose is a tool that allows developers to define and run multi-container Docker applications. Docker Swarm is a native clustering and orchestration tool that enables developers to manage a swarm of Docker nodes and deploy services at scale. Kubernetes is another popular container orchestration tool that can be used with Docker. Docker also provides a range of services that enable developers to build and deploy applications in the cloud. Docker Hub is a registry of Docker images that can be used to store and share images. Docker Cloud is a container platform as a service, PaaS, that enables developers to deploy and manage applications in the cloud. Overall, Docker is a powerful tool that enables developers to build, deploy, and scale applications more efficiently. By using Docker, developers can create isolated, portable, and consistent environments for their applications, making it easier to develop and deploy software.